Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Tally Prime updated, and your GSTN and IRN API credentials ready. Once done, open Gateway of Tally and press F11 to enter features. You enable statutory and taxation and turn on e-invoicing. Next, navigate to the company info and configure your GST details exactly as on the IRP portal, because mismatches cause rejections. Make sure the username and password for the e-invoice API are entered into the integration settings before proceeding to invoice mapping. Once the e-invoice toggle is active, go to Integrations and open e-invoice config. You input the IRP endpoint, the username/password, and adjust timeout values. These control API calls and retries. Then, map your Tally voucher types to IRP document types so the system knows which invoices to push. Also select the JSON schema version that the portal expects and enable the digital signature module if your workflow requires signed payloads. After mapping, run a test upload on a sample invoice to validate fields. You finalize by creating a normal sales invoice and using Send to IRP. Once submitted, Tally should receive IRN, acknowledgement number, and the QR code which gets embedded automatically. Make sure auto retry and detailed logging are enabled so failed requests can be inspected. If something goes wrong, common fixes include verifying GSTN format, HSN, and tax rate fields, and ensuring invoice date/time matches time zone expectations. If the IRP rejects a payload, consult the error log, correct the fields, and resubmit the single invoice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.